Hello friends, in this tutorial I'll show you the formula to calculate running total in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the Excel sheet, here I have a daily sales revenue data that has the dates in the first column, sales revenue in the second column, and in the third column I need to calculate the running total. For this, click on this first cell, press equal to, then use sum function, open bracket. Now put the first cell reference of the sales revenue, that is B3. So put here B3 colon V3. Close the sum function. Then lock this first B3 cell by clicking between B and 3. Then press the F4 key in the keyboard. That applies the dollar symbol. You can also manually put the dollar symbols. Then press enter. Now use the fill handle to drag this formula down. And here you get the running total. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.